Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial video of GTokenTool. Let me introduce you today, how to use the GTokenTool platform, creating a Raydium AMM liquidity pool. First we come to the Create Liquidity page, then connect to the main network, and here I'll show you with a testnet. Then connect the wallet. We choose Phantom Wallet. After successful connection, you can see the wallet address. Then we choose AM. And here we go. First select the base token, enter the token address to search. Then select quote token, we chose Sol. Then fill in the market ID. Then we fill in number of base tokens to create liquidity, and the number of quoted tokens. After filling it out, the initial price will be displayed below. Then you can also import wallet to buy tokens first here. You can choose the current wallet, or import the wallet, and I won't do that. After finally setting it up, we click to create liquidity. After clicking, wait a moment, the wallet will pop up for transactions. Click to confirm, there will be a pop-up window displaying the pool address. You can click here to copy. After closing, you can also copy the pool address at the bottom. The above is the whole process. If you still have questions, you can view our tutorial documentation, or come to our community to ask questions. Okay, that's all for today's video. See you next time. Bye.